I'm Nupur and I am in the second year of MA Society and Culture at IIT Gandhinagar. I would like to share my internship experience. I did an internship at a research organization, and the internship was fantastic. And from there, I think I also got an idea about what to do in my thesis. So right now I'm working for my thesis on how rag picking women face problems due to inaccessible and inadequate sanitation facilities in urban public spaces. I think the faculty here is really awesome. I'm working under Dr. Malavika Subramaniam, and I think she gives me the right freedom to also explore as to what I want to do, what kind of methods I want to use in the research, and also guides me with research articles and the kind of material that I should read and look at while doing my research. I think the institute is also very supportive about accessing books. For example, the library. The library is if we want any book or any research article which we cannot access, if we tell it to the library, it will be available to us in 24 hours. So I think that way the institute is very supportive to research. The program is interdisciplinary. It will broaden your perspective, as well as during your thesis you can deepen your knowledge on the research interest that you are taking forward and you want to pursue. So I encourage everyone to apply to this program.